Now let's come to an example of the operation of named data networking. In this example, we have two NDN nodes, N1 and N2. Both of them have three interfaces, F1 to F3. The first node is connected to a server, which is responsible for the globally routable prefix DE/TU Dresden. We also have three users, 3, 2, and 1. Each of them is connected via their local PC to the NDN network. The content store and pending interest tables of both nodes are empty, but the forwarding information bases are pre-configured to make the TU Dresden prefix routable. So now the first student is interested in getting the latest ComNet stuff. So via his computer, he will send an interest to node 1. Node 1 can look in its forwarding information base, see DE/TU Dresden. We will send it out to interface F2. That's where the TU Dresden server is located, so he will forward this interest. He will also add the interest he just got to the pending interest table with the name and interface F1. So now the next student, student 3, heard that ComNets is popular and that he also wants to get the latest information. So again, he sends out an interest via his local NDN node, N2. N2 again sees the TU Dresden ComNets. I have a matching prefix for that, so I will send it out to interface F3. On the other side of interface F3, we have node N1, who will get this interest for ComNets, and he will look in his interest table and will see that an interest with exactly his name is already present. So instead of resending this interest to the TU Dresden server, he will just add F3 to the interfaces for this name. After receiving the interest, our server will answer them. The nodes look in their tables and will find interests matching this name. So they will answer them and send back the data to the users. They will also store the information they just received in their local content store, and they will delete the interest in the pending interest table after waiting for a short time. This short time is necessary to still enable loop detection. When now the next user, who's a bit late, will express interest in the ComNets content, user 2 will also send an interest, in his case to node 2. Node 2 will look in his content store and see, we already have the desired content, so he will immediately send it out and will answer this request without adding anything to other tables. So in this example, we saw how requesting content, aggregating interests, replying to content, and using the content store works. As resources for preparing this lecture, I mainly used the book Computing and Communication Networks and the material provided by the NDN developers, especially the NFD Developers Guide. So if you're interested in ICN in general, or especially in named data networking, you should check out their resources. They're quite interesting. So this was today's lecture, and thanks for watching.